Hello everyone, I am Devendram here. I am going to make my first video. So I am trying to make videos on physics. So first I will try to explain physics. What is physics? And while listening, first question comes in mind that what is physics? So physics is nothing but rules of nature. We can say that physics is rules of nature, and this is used to understand nature. So we expect that nature works on some basic rule. So that basic rule is to understand those basic rule is called physics. We can understand this by taking an example of chess game. Everyone know chess game. Okay. So if we consider a person who doesn't know anything about chess game, he is sitting in front of game and he is watching the game and two players are playing the game. So with the time passing, the person who doesn't know anything about chess, he will make some rules himself by watching the game. Similar to nature. In nature, the events are going on its way. We are the people who doesn't know anything about the nature's rule. Then we will watch the event and we will make some rules. And that is called physics. That is not perfect, as we don't know anything about nature's rule now, so it is not exactly perfect. So if we found something new rules and it is contradict our previous rules, then we will modify the previous rule. So next question comes when we say about physics. Next is, what is the use of mathematics in physics? Okay. So mathematics. So how it is helpful? So mathematics in physics, math in physics. So to understand the nature's rule, we need a language to read, write and understand nature. So here we can say math is a language of physics, because let's we say one thing. When two bodies are in vacuum having mass of m1 and m2, they will attract each other according to Newton's law. So their force will be directly proportional to mass m1 multiplied by m2 divided by their distance r square divided by r square. So if we write in English like the force of attraction between two bodies of having mass of m1 and m2 at a distance of r is directly proportional to m1 multiplied by m2 divided by r square. It is so long line. So we take the help of mathematics to write this. So we can write this as a force F, which is force F is directly proportional to m1 m2 divided by r square. So this is so easy to write in mathematics using the help of mathematics. So we use mathematics as a language in our physics to write the things and write the rules and understand the physics. So next question arises, what type of mathematics we need to learn to understand the physics. So there are some basic mathematics we need to understand physics. One is trigonometry, two is algebra, three is calculus. In our high school We know about the trigonometry, algebra, but we don't know about the calculus. But we will learn the calculus also. So this is the mathematics uses in physics. So we understand that physics describes the laws of nature, but this is quantitative, and we need something to compare with different quantities, different objects. So for that we need a unit. We need a unit. Like if we consider a mass of one elephant and mass of one goat, so we can say that elephant is heavier than goat. But if we don't have anything, we don't have any measurement, then we cannot say how much times heavier than the goat the elephant mass is. So we need some quantity to compare two things. Like if we take goat mass as 1 unit mass, so goat mass is 1 unit. If we take goat mass as 1 unit, so we can say elephant mass will be the 50 times the goat of unit. So 50 in unit. So we can now compare that elephant mass of elephant is greater than goat mass of goat by 50 times. So we have a quantitative measurement 50. So similarly, in everything we need a unit and a quantitative quantity. Similarly, for length and distance, if we ask someone, we are traveling to somewhere, and if we ask someone, so the destination where we are traveling, how much distance from where you are? So the man can say some distance. If we don't know about any unit, so he will say his unit, whatever if we say steps, so he will say like 1000 steps, 2000 steps. But for him that is 1000 steps. But for you it should not be, it could not be, it may be 2000, it may be less than 1000. So for that we need one unit to be universal. So it should be available everywhere, so can everyone know the distance and mass, all these things. So there are 7 fundamentals unit whose are used internationally to describe all the quantities available in nature, and those fundamentals unit can be used to derive other units. So there are 7 fundamentals unit. So we will note here. One is mass, and its unit is kg, and symbolically, this is for symbolically symbol, and it is called as kilogram. 2 is length, and its symbol is meter, called meter. And next is time, symbol is second. Fourth is electric current. Electric current, this A, it is measured as ampere. Next is temperature. Its symbol is K, K for Kelvin. 6 is amount of substance. Amount of substance. It is expressed as MOL, mole. So it is mole. And 7 is luminosity. Luminosity intense. And its symbol is CD, called candle. Okay. And except these 7, there are 2 more fundamentals units we use generally. That is, one is angle and 2 is solid angle. And for this we used radian, RAD for symbol, SR for stereo. Okay. In next video I am going to talk about the dimension and dimensional analysis of these formulas, and how to use dimensional analysis to check the formulas, the written formula is correct or not. So such thing. Okay, tata.